Let's learn AWS. Today, I will show you the replacement available in AWS for MQ output node of IIB. If you want to send messages to SQS using Java Lambda, you have to include SQS library as shown on screen. Screen shows the significant code block with which you can send messages to queue. URL mentioned as input parameter will contain information on the region where the queue is available, such as US East. Create a queue using AWS SQS view. Configuring a data queue is important when you create queues for non-test environments. It helps prevent data loss. This Java class receives an SQS message and then creates another SQS message. Target queue name is mentioned in Lambda code. Build a fat jar with all your dependencies, upload to AWS and trigger an input message from test utility provided by AWS. Use CloudWatch logs to learn more about the actions that occurred within Lambda function. Here you see the input event converted to JSON format. Our test is successful. We have successfully received an SQS message, then sent another SQS message to target queue. With this, we created a substitute for an IIB message flow with nodes MQ input, compute and MQ output. Let me know in comments, can you send message to SQS wherein you don't specify the name of the target queue in code?